10 Yoga Poses for Beginners Health Benefits. This video is created for educational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. We are not doctors. Diamond Thunderbolt. This pose helps regulate blood circulation in your pelvic area and aids in digestion. Gracious pose. Body alignment is improved thanks to this pose. Cobra pose. This pose is therapeutic for asthma, stretching, improves menstrual irregularities. Corpse pose. This pose is an important one for reducing anxiety and promoting muscle relaxation. Fish pose. This pose strengthens muscles and improves posture. Seated forward bend. This pose helps with many issues, which includes relieving the symptoms of menopause and menstrual discomfort. Triangle pose. This pose stimulates function of abdominal organs along with reducing stress. Chair pose. This one stimulates the heart, diaphragm, and abdominal organs. Wind relieving pose. This pose is used for eliminating trapped gas and improving your digestive system. Half/full standing forward bend. This pose helps strengthen your body and aids in digestion.